Hey everyone, this is Niche Dominator, and my name is Shane, and the reason why I created this YouTube channel is to do a bit of an experiment, and that is how can I get my videos rank high in certain kinds of niches. So what I thought I would do is I would strongly encourage anyone, if you have one YouTube channel, create another channel that you can experiment on. I've created dozens of YouTube channels in various niches, and I'm always experimenting. So this one is going to be centered around how to dominate your niche, if you will, depending on how you say it. Niche. Niche used to be a normal word, which I refer to most times on my channel, but sometimes people still resort to niche, even though it's French. But niche is more American, Canadian. That's, we grew up with that. What is your niche is what we used to say. Now somehow translated into niche. But anyways, I wanted to create this video to mess around a little bit with the YouTube algorithm. I have, I think, either one subscriber or no subscribers right now. It's a brand new YouTube channel. I believe I created it, it might be like a day old or something. And I thought I would just try and see if I could squeeze my video in between Roberto, Blake, and any of these other YouTubers, influencers, all this kind of stuff, just by basically content stuffing my video with words centered around niche and profits and money making and all this kind of stuff, so that YouTube gets an idea and goes, hey, you know what? I know exactly what this video is about. It's a brand new channel. Maybe I should put it in front of these type of people. So here's some questions that I ask myself when I am looking at different niches. So what is the most profitable niche on YouTube? How to pick a money-making niche. What is the best niche? Money-making niches. See, again, this is to mess around with YouTube's algorithm, because I want them to know that this is about how to dominate your niche. Best niches for online marketing. Fastest growing niches in 2021. Which is the best niche in 2021? Or if we're getting later in the year, you could even put which is the best niche in 2022, 2023, 2024. You know the drill. How to find a profitable niche? That's a good question. How do I find a good niche? Trending niches. That's a good one. What is a good niche to start? Very good. So these are the titles that popped up when I was typing in some of those questions. So one title was 5 of the most profitable niches on YouTube 2020. YouTube monetization and brand deals. And that's a 13-minute long video with Robert Blake. Top 10 best paying niches to make money from YouTube. Niches always sounds funny. Should be niches. That one is 13 minutes and 50 seconds. So it's important to also note the time of these videos. Most of these videos are over 10 minutes long. So that's something to think about when you're trying to corner or dominate your niche. YouTube loves long videos, because that way people are paying attention and they're listening to your video longer and they're staying on your platform versus going to Instagram or Twitter or somewhere else. That's why I'm not a big fan of having links to Instagram and stuff. If you have an Instagram channel, it's great to have a backlink back to YouTube, but I'm not a big fan of going the other way, and I don't know if YouTube is either, but anyways. So I got that. So 3 highest CPM niches on YouTube will blow your mind. That one was a 5-minute video. Best niches in affiliate marketing for beginners, 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Niche down to beat the YouTube algorithm in 2021 and stand out in blah, 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 blah. That's Roberto Blake. 17 minutes. Most profitable niches for Instagram theme pages 2020. So that's very specific. 20 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face. That's kind of an interesting niche. A lot of people are uncomfortable making videos that show their face. How to start a cash cow YouTube channel 2021, and in brackets 7 profitable niches. So the one before that, 20 YouTube niches to make money without showing your face, that was 35 minutes long. Profitable YouTube niches, profitable YouTube niche ideas to make $20,000 a month. Full review. Well, if that isn't clickbait, I don't know what is. 19 minutes and 30 seconds. How to find your niche on YouTube, 8 minutes. Profitable blog niches, 2020. How to make money blogging. That makes sense if you want to blog. That's a video that's specific for bloggers. Why pick a niche? It's my own YouTube channel, and I'm getting confused with niche. Why pick a niche is bad advice on what you should do instead. I think that was Jade. 8 minutes. Small YouTuber advice, how to grow on YouTube with no time and no money. That's Roberto Blake as well. A little bit clickbaity in my opinion. 18 minutes. And I don't know if this is true or not, but it feels like he's a plant. Feels like he works. I should do more research on him, that he works for YouTube in some way. Because there's a few of these guys that all they do is talk about YouTube. So when you talk about YouTube constantly, I think there's a good chance your videos will get promoted because you're actually teaching people how to build a YouTube channel. It's kind of a cheat, I think, in some ways. How to find a profitable niche for social media in 2021. Interesting. Stop niching down. Do this instead. That's Sonny Lenarduzzi. 15 minutes. 6 unique blog niches. 6 unique blog niche ideas that have competition and can make money. So the debate is, do you pick a niche that has competition or that is brand new? I would say pick something that's brand new. I will continue to make videos about that subject. I think you should create your own niche. How I got 50,000 subscribers in 1 month. Very clickbaity. 10 minutes. It's almost impossible to get 50,000 subscribers in 1 month. It's ridiculous. Best affiliate marketing niches for beginners in 2021. Big profits. Again, a little bit clickbaity. That's it. That's all I have. So hopefully, because I don't want to type out my whole description. I don't want to make it like 5,000 words. I've heard if you make your description long enough, YouTube will get the idea that, hey, okay, what the description is matches with what you say in your video. And I don't know, it's kind of a weird way to do it because I've seen videos where there is nothing in their description. Nothing. Just Instagram, links to Amazon, that kind of stuff, and it's just nothing. So I don't know if I buy that. I will summarize this a little bit, but that's about it. So I just wanted to pack this video with content regarding niches. And I want to see how well this video will rank and if it's going to rank above Sonny Lenarduzzi's, Vanessa Lau, Jade, what's her name, Roberto Blakey, and any of these other YouTubers. So that's my goal, is to be able to stuff it. I know they don't always encourage that, but this is a good experiment. This is why I think you should create a YouTube channel, just to experiment on. See what works, see what doesn't. So if you're new to this channel, make sure and subscribe, hit the like, comment if you like this type of video, and I will see you on the other side. Bye for now.